Am I lonely or lonely alone? I've already started missing myself, hanging out with nobody but myself, anti-socializing with my fewer friends, overthinking alone, thinking of nothing, for I'm already locked up with myself. Hold on. Am I really lonely? Alone and lonely? Or lonely alone? Oh, I think I'm a foreign again, but I don't understand whoever did that. Can't recall if I had deference before, and I'm resisting the unknown that is messing up my dumb brain. Hold on. Am I really lonely? Lonely alone? Alone and lonely? No. I think I'm just concentrated that ideas may flow unbothered. Now, maybe I'm sick and confined, but I don't see any medication. I hear no sound in the far outside. Hold on. Am I really lonely? Alone and lonely? Oh, lonely alone. I now know what it is. I'm the only one in this place. The world ended 2 years ago, and I was lucky to get my abode. No, didn't I run errands yesterday? I think I did. Maybe I'm lonely. Oh my God. I'm a lonely fool. Alone and lonely? Or lonely alone? Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going outside to check. But what if I meet people and I truly need to be alone? No, I ought to stay locked in. Oh shit! I'm eating junk food. TV and illusions are my bride. I only think of thinking and dreaming. I can't stand people judging eyes. I'm scared of my own controversy. Hold on. Am I really lonely? Alone and lonely? Or lonely alone? I'm sore and sore. Umngije. So breast. Crazy, huh?